Alright, so this is the second part of day 2 about equilateral triangles. So for this one, we have a triangle is equilateral if and only if it is equiangular. So if all your sides are equal, then all your angles are equal. Going backwards, if all your angles are equal, then all of your sides are equal. This is basically telling you the exact same thing here. So if angle A equals angle B and that equals angle C, then our side lengths AB equals BC equals CA, or you could say AC. Okay? Reversing that, basically the converse of that, says if you have segment AB is congruent to segment BC is equal to AC, then all of your angles are equal to each other. Okay, now I just threw in here just some general, hopefully common knowledge. Big ideas of equilateral triangles. All angles are congruent, so they're all 60 degrees. 2, all sides are congruent. Okay, so looking at example 3A, find each missing measure. Angle C. Well, if this is equilateral, they're all 60 degrees. Okay, if it's equilateral, all sides are the same. So these are all 9 feet. Okay, in part B, if you are given that you have an equilateral triangle, I see that from all the markings here showing equal or congruent sides, then each one of these angles is 60. So I just take the 2x plus 32 and I equal that to 60 degrees. And then I just solve. So x is 14. Alright, letter C. If these two angles are 60, then this is 60, which means that all of the sides are congruent. To get x, I could just say that this equals 11x minus 89. Just set up an equation. Okay, so subtracting 7, I would get 4x. Adding 89 to 19 gives me 108. And then if I divide by 4, we get 27. Okay, in the last one, if triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle, can you solve for the variables x and y? Okay, let's start with x first. So we're looking at an angle measurement. Because we were given the word equilateral, we know that this automatically equals 60 degrees. Okay, so let's set up and solve that equation. Adding 3, dividing by 7, we get 9. Okay, now, because all the sides are equal, it does not matter what two expressions we pick to solve. So I'm going to pick 14y minus 59 equals 9y plus 1. And I'm going to solve it. So subtracting 9, I get 5. Add 59, we get 60. And if I divide by 5, we get 12. So these are my two solutions to this problem here. Alright, so that ends day 2.